Welcome to the world of automation. 1 Hadoop, 2 Aws Cloud, 3 Webserver, 4 Docker, 5 partition, 6 exit. What would you like to do, sir?
Launch Docker for me. So here we have a couple of services. Right now I muted this because it's take a bit long time to pronounce all of these things. Let's go ahead. Let's configure Docker first of all. Configure Docker. So it's saying that package is already installed and nothing to do. Let's go for the second one. Pull image. Okay, so which type of image you want to pull? Let's say Ubuntu. Let's see. It is already present here or not. Ubuntu, okay, it has installed Ubuntu. Okay, Ubuntu was already installed, so it's saying Ubuntu is already installed. Let's go and launch a container. Launch container. So let's give a name to a container like Docker container. This is the name, and let's give OS type CentOS, and let's do it. So here it is booting our CentOS, and container has been launched. Shows the output in browser, and here let's go and verify this from this option. Show information of all containers. So here it has printed all about all of the containers here running out here. Let's see here Docker container is running, which we have launched just 2 seconds before. So let's move and let's go and start any container. So we have a container OSS and it's not start. So let's start this one. Start container OSS, and let's see. This container has been started. You can verify from here also. The container has been started. Let's go. Show information of all containers. Oh, it has fetched about all the containers, and see OSS has been started now, and it is up from 39 seconds. So a container has been started. Let's go to see some other services like stop container. So let's stop this container. Stop container. So let's give the OS name which we have started just, and let's go and stop this one. And see, this OS has been stopped. Come out here. You can see this OS OSS has been exited just less than a second ago. So we have successfully stopped this OS. Let's do a couple of more things here. Let's say delete container. Click here. Delete container. Let's say OSS. Let's delete this container. We didn't need it. And see, container has been deleted. We can verify again from the same command. Show information of all containers. So here you can see OSS OS is not available anymore. We have deleted it. We can go for delete all containers also. So let's go. We can also delete containers from this option, or we can delete all containers. We have deleted containers. Let's go and learn image information. Fetch the information about image. So first of all, for that we need the name of container. So show information of all containers. So let's take any of the OS. Let's say OS 3, or we have launched one OS. What was the name? Docker container. So let's fetch information about that. This image. Image information. So here we have OS type. Let's say CentOS. So now it's giving each and every information about CentOS image. Like here it is using default tag latest, and this one is all about image information. So here we have seen each and every services. Let's go and start any container. So let's get a name which I was thinking. Okay, so Docker container, we can go with that one. Start container. So let's give that name, which is Docker container, and this will start this container. Obviously, Docker container has been started. Here we have seen each and every functionality of Docker. Exit.
1 Hadoop, 2 Aws Cloud, 3 Webserver, 4 Docker, 5 partition, 6 exit.
So let's go and launch our web server. So
what would you like to do, sir?
Launch web server for me.
Welcome to the web server menu. 1 Configure web server, 2 Create file and upload it, 3 Edit the shared file, 4 Delete the shared file, 5 Stop web server services, 6 Exit.
Configure web server. So here we can see that plugin has already installed, HTTP server has already installed. So let's go for next step. So create file. Here we can enter the content of our web page, and which will be launched by this program. So let's enter our file content. Let's say this is my website. Good way. So let's launch this one. and boom, this our web page has been launched. Your website is online, and this is the URL of our website. We can go on this URL and can see our web page. So let's go. See Control V and let's see and see where is our web. Wait, it's loading. Yeah, here, boom, here is our first. Let me refresh it. Yeah, so this is my website. Good. So now we have launched our web page from our command line. Let's go to third step. So after all of this, the above information, we have done this. Now you can edit the shared file, or let's say delete this shared file which we have created. Delete shared file. So this one will delete our web page which we have just created. So it will delete the shared file. Okay, so file is deleted. I can't stop Webserver right now because same Webserver this Python file is also running, so it will stop this. So like this we can work on our Webserver menu. Let's go back and try some more services. Exit.
Automation. 2 Aws Cloud. 3 Webserver. 4 Docker. 5 partition. 6 exit. What would you like to do, sir?
AWS Cloud. So it will ask for my credential here, which I have already filled, so I have to not do anything right now.
Welcome to the AWS menu. 1 EC2 services. 2 EBS volume. 3 keep here. 4 S3. 5 snapshot. 6 exit.
So let's go and create, go and work on EC2 services. EC2 services.
Details of all instances. C. Show details of any one instance. D. Start instance. E. Stop instance. F. Terminate instance. G. Exit.
So let's see first our details. Show details of all instance. Wait. So yet it has shown us details of all the instance, and let's see and go for this instance ID and just fetch more details about this instance ID. So come here and let's see. Wait. Show details of one instance. So this one is asking for an ID. I think I have copied it. And that time let me copy it again from this one is the instance. Let's copy from here. Here it has shown. Wait. So here it has shown all details about this instance. Like it has availability zone 80 South 1A, and this is about private IP address and each and everything about this instance. Okay, and let's go for further menu. Let's see what next we can do. So let's go and launch a new instance. And I will try, and I think we should launch a new instance with a new key pair. So let's create a new key pair. So first of all, we will go back.
What can I do for you, sir?
Exit.
Welcome to the AWS menu. 1 EC2 services. 2 EBS volume. 3 keep here. 4 S3. 5 snapshot. 6 exit.
Key pair.
Welcome to key pair menu. A. Create key. B. Delete key. C. Show details of key pair. C. Exit.
Create key. So let's create a new key and let's give a new name to this key. Let's say my key, and let's create this. Wait. So it's showing my key already exists. So the key pair mine. Let's create another key.
What can I do for you, sir?
Create key. So let's give a new key. I think it will be not present. It will be present. Let's see. So now wait. So now this key has been created. The name of key is new key, and let's go and launch a new instance with this key. So here we can also delete key and show details of key pair. Let's see first of all detail, and then we will go and launch new instance. Show details of key pair. Get me this time. Let's see again. Show details of key pair. So now it has get, and this is all about key pair. We have Hadoop key. Let's go and delete one key. Let's say this key. I think I'm not using this. We can use enter for more. New key. Which, see this key we have just created, and let's go and delete this key. See, SP key. Okay. Delete key pair. So let's delete this one SP key. So here it will delete this key. Wait. Exit.
Welcome to the AWS menu.
So there I can
1 EC2 services. 2 EBS volume. 3 keep here. 4 S3. 5 snapshot. 6 exit.